Welcome to the ultimate review of SuperHero AI, the world's first all-in-one AI command center that gives you every digital superpower in one place. If you've ever been overwhelmed by dozens of tools, confused by complicated workflows, or frustrated by recurring monthly costs, this tool might just flip the script for you. Let's dive into everything SuperHero AI has to offer and find out how it can change the way you create, sell, and scale online. This isn't an average AI tool which everyone is talking about. SuperHero AI is an entire platform built to simplify content creation and automate your workflow. Whether you want to build cinematic 4K visuals, voiceovers, blog posts, or complete landing pages, this platform puts everything at your fingertips. And the best part? It's powered by the most advanced AI models available today, like GPT-4o, GPT Turbo, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Flash, and many more. As you can see, can you imagine all of them under one dashboard? Isn't it interesting? Crazy, right? You don't need multiple tools. You don't need any tech experience. And you know what? There are zero monthly fees. I'm going to tell you every benefit you can get by using this tool, and will also tell how I and my friends are saving time and a lot of money by this AI. So first, let's talk about how easy it is to use. You don't need a degree or any technical knowing to understand it. Even a beginner can use it without any issue. As you can see, it takes only 3 simple steps to activate superpower. First, you need to enter the Super dashboard like you do everywhere. Sign up for free and then click any button on this page. Now, this is where your superhero journey begins. Then after the first step, you need to choose your superpower. As you can clearly see, you need to choose what you want. Want to create jaw-dropping images? Done. Need a studio quality voiceover? Easy. Looking to launch a full online business? Just ask. From visuals to voice to fully coded websites, just type what you want, click generate, and the tool handles the rest. And till third part, your work is done. Once you click generate, let the AI do its thing, then post it, embed it, sell it, or go viral. Your creations are ready to take over the internet. As I'm using this AI from long time, I have very interesting bonuses for you. Stay tuned. To unlock over $500 worth of exclusive bonuses plus 2 instant discount, scan the QR code shown on your screen. You can take screenshot for that or click the link in the description right below this video. These bonus tools and templates are only available during this launch. So now let's discuss what you can expect. Let's get into what exactly you're unlocking with SuperHero AI. Here are the 20 powerful features that make this platform truly one of a kind. As you can see, you can create AI 4K images, cinematic 4K images, voiceovers, AI assistants, and more. As I told before, it is powered by next-generation AI engines. Now look at the best feature. It can create ultra-realistic human avatars, effects, and voice like a Hollywood editor. Can you believe it? Just by one click. You can create voiceovers in 50+ languages and styles. You can add voice layers and background like a pro. And you can ask anything about marketing, SEO, strategy, business, or coding, and it will guide you like a pro and with all the market updates. Nothing can be better than this to generate viral-ready content, captions, thumbnails, and hashtags for TikTok, Shorts, Instagram, YouTube, and more. It will just automate your work. You can go global instantly and break all language barriers. The best part is you don't need to switch tools again and again. I mean, you can literally do all work under one dashboard. And similarly, these are all the top features. I will not bore you by telling all. You can check yourself by visiting the page from the link below. See real-time internet data. As I told you, it is up to date. Look what 2024 HubSpot survey says. Marketers who used SuperHero AI saw 73% increase in productivity, 8 times faster content creation, and also saved over $1,200 a month on other tools. You can read all these limitless benefits and features once you open the website. So here's the best part, what you can do using it. Let's be practical. You can seriously sell premium content like blog posts, video scripts, emails, and sales pages. Offer studio quality voiceover and voice cloning services. Design and sell stunning 4K, 8K visuals, graphics, and product images. Deliver fully branded assets using the most advanced AI models on the planet. Remember, all of these features come with a single one-time payment, no recurring charges, no upsells. Now is a good time to hit that link in the description or scan the QR code on screen because that $500 plus bonus bundle is only available during this launch window. Here you can check what makes SuperHero AI better than all those outdated overhyped AI tools. So you can now stop wasting money, time, and sanity on fragmented, overhyped AI apps. So let's quickly recap what you get with SuperHero AI. Lifetime access, no monthly fees, no hidden costs. Access to 15 plus AI tools, realistic AI voiceovers, Hollywood-style AI 4K images, AI art studio, Alexa-style live voice, real-time internet data, and many more you can check. If you start calculating all these prices, then it will exceed $10,000. But under one roof, you will get it for just $14.95. Seriously, less than a tasty meal. So what's the risk? I think nothing. And that's why I tried it. And you know what? You can get still more discounts. As I told you, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen now to grab SuperHero AI and the exclusive $500 plus bonus bundle with 2 instant discount before this deal expires. This isn't just another tool, it's your complete AI-powered launchpad for faster content, scalable income, and total creative freedom. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more solutions.